So hello and namaste to everyone. So in my last video of arithmetic progression, I have discussed till question number 16 of exercise 5.2 class 10 NCERT CBSE textbook. Today I am going to start with question number 17 of chapter 5 exercise 5.2 on page 107. So let's start. Exercise 5.2 page 107, question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 dash dash 253. 3, 8, 13. Okay? So I am going to solve this question using two methods. Method 1. See, I need to find out the 20th last term. What are the things we have in this AP? We have the first value of the series, that is equals to 3. Common difference D will be equals to 8 minus 3, that will be equal to 5, right? And the last term of this series is going to be equal to 253. Right? If I suppose there are n terms in this series, then the nth term of the series will be equal to 253. That is equal to 253. An is equals to 253. Now, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. And an is equals to 253. What is the value of a? 3 plus n minus 1. D is equals to 5. Taking this 3 here, this is 3, okay? Don't get confused. So 253 minus 3 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. That is 250 is equals to n minus 1 into 5. This will get cancelled. That is 50 is equals to n minus 1. If I take 1 here, I will get 50 plus 1 is equals to n. Therefore, n is equals to 51. So, how many terms are there in this series or in this arithmetic progression? 51 terms are there in this arithmetic progression. Now we have to find out the 20th last term, right? See, if there is an arithmetic progression and that has 51 terms in it, and I need to find out the 20th last term. So if I have to find out the 20th last term, and I can determine which will be the 20th last term from the starting of the series. So how am I going to find that? So basically it will be 51 minus 20 plus 1, right? That is 31 plus 1. Why am I adding 1? See, because I am adding 1 because n is starting from 1. N is not starting from 0. So as n starts from 1, it is important for me to add 1 here. If I am not going to add 1 here, then my answer for this question will come wrong. Or you can see it using one small example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10 terms of an arithmetic progression. Now, 7th is the first, second, third, fourth last term of this series. But which term is it from starting? See, if you will just do 10 minus 4, you are going to get 6. But is it the 6th term? 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it is the 7th term. So basically I have to add 1 here for getting my answer correct. So it is always important to add 1 here. Please do not forget this. Now I have understood that the 20th last term of this series will be the 32nd term from the starting of the series, right? So what I have to do? Now only find one thing, that is A32. What will be A32 for this? It will be A plus 31D. Using the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. A32, A is equals to 3 plus 31 into 5, right? And 31 into 5 is 5 is a 5 and 5 is a 15. That is 3 plus 155. That gives me A32 as 158. Okay, so the 20th last term from the 20th last term of this series will be the 32nd term of this series. Another method which we can use to find out the 20th last term of this series. Let us just reverse the series. Then it will become 253, comma, dash, 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 comma, 13, comma, 8, comma, 5, right? The first term of this series will become what? 253. The common difference will be, usually the common difference is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. But as we only have the first term and do not have second, third, fourth term in it, but can I say in general it will be AN minus 1, right? It will be AN minus 1. So if I consider this as the last term, that if I consider this as nth term of this series, then this will be the n minus 1 term of this series, right? If this is AN, then this is going to be what? AN minus 1. So the common difference for this will become 5 minus 8. That is equal to, this is 3. This is not 5. I have written the wrong value here. This was 13, 8 and 3. By mistake I have written 5. So this 3 will be the nth term of the series and this 8 will be the n minus 1 term of the series. So it will be AN is 3, AN minus 1 is 8. So D will be 3 minus 8. That is going to be equal to what? Minus 5. So for this, the first term is 253 and the common difference is minus 5. Now as I have reversed the series, so what I have to do? I just have to find out the 20th term of this series, right? Because I have reversed the series and in that I have to find out the 20th last term. But now as I have reversed the series, it is going to be the 20th term of this series, right? So again, A for the series is 253. D for the series becomes minus 5, right? And A 20th for the series will be what? A plus 19B. Again using the formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, A 20th, the value of A is 253. Value of D is what? Minus 5. So, this becomes 19 into minus 5. What is 19 into minus 5? It is 95. Actually, 19 into minus 5 will be minus 95. And 19 into 5 is 95. So 19 into minus 5 will be minus 95. 253 minus 95. What will that give you? That will give you 158. So A 20th for this series is going to be 158. So the 20th last term for that series will be equal to 158. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move on to next question. Question number 80. The sum of the 4th and the 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and the 10th term of AP is 44. find the first three terms of this A. They are saying the sum of the 4th and the 8th term is going to be equal to what? 24. And the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is going to be equal to what? 44. And I have to find out this series. So again we'll use the formula A n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. If I put n as 4, I will get A4 as A plus 3D, A8 as A plus 7D. When I am putting n as 8, when I am putting n as 6, I will get A6 as A plus 5D. And if I am putting n as 10, I will get A10 as A plus 9D, right? Let's name these equation. So using 1 and 2 and putting this in equation 5, right? Can I say A plus 3D plus A plus 5D is equals to 24? Right? I can say this, right? After solving this, A plus 70, I'm sorry, this is A plus 70, not A plus 5D, because A8. A8 is A plus 70, A4 plus A8. So from 1 and 2, I am putting this equation, I am putting these in equation 5, A4 as A plus 3D, A8 as A plus 7D, that is equal to 24. That gives me 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. 2 can be cancelled from both the sides. I get 2A plus 5D as 2 into 12. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I get one equation as A plus 5D is equal to 12. This is very important. A plus 5D as 12. Now, I also had A6 as A plus 5D and A10 as A plus 9D, and these were our third and fourth equation. So from third and fourth equation, I am putting this in equation 6. Okay, A6 as A plus 5D, so A plus 5D plus A10 as A plus 9D, that is equals to 44. 9D plus 5D is what? 9 plus 5 is 14 and A plus A is 2A. So 2A plus 14D is equals to 44. Again I take 2 as common. 2A plus 7D is equals to 2 into 22. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So I get one more equation, that is A plus 7D is equals to 22. Let's take this as equation 7 and take this as equation 8. Right? These are the two equations we have get from the question and putting the value of A4, A8, A6 and A10. Right? So, subtracting equation 7 from equation 8, that is equation 8 minus equation 7, subtracting equation 7 from equation 8. So, from left hand side, I will get A plus 7D minus A minus 5D, right? Because minus sign is here, so both these signs will change and become minus, equals to 22 minus 12. A and A will get cancelled. 70 minus 5D will become what? 2D is equals to 22 minus 12 is 10. That gives me D as 5. That gives me common difference as 5. So let's put this D as 5 in equation 7. A plus 5 into 5 is equals to 12. That is A plus 25 is equals to 12. Right? A plus 25 is equal to 12. A is equals to what? 12 minus 25. That is equal to 12 minus 25 is equals to what? Minus 13. So the first value for this series will become what? Minus 13, and common difference is 5. So A1 is equals to minus 13. Common difference is equal to 5. So if I have A1 and I have common difference D, can I say A2 will be equals to A plus D? Right? And A3 will be equal to A plus 2D, and A4 will be equal to A plus 3D. By using the formula, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? I can say this. Now, A plus D, that is minus 13 plus 5 gives me minus 8. A3, A plus 2D. A is minus 13 plus 2 into 5. That is minus 13 plus 10. That gives me A3 as minus 3. And A4 is equals to A plus 3D. A is what? Minus 13 plus 3 into 5. That gives me minus 13 plus 15. That is equals to 2, right? So, the first 4 terms of this series are going to be equal to minus 13, comma, minus 8, comma, minus 3, comma, 2. Right? So these are first 4 terms of this series, and in a similar manner you can find out the more terms of this series. So our question is only asking first 3 terms of the series. So this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So A1, A2 and A3 for the series are minus 3, minus 8 and minus, A1, A2, A3 are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So I hope this question is clear to you. So with this we have completed till question number 18 of exercise 5.2. If you have any doubts, please mention it in comment section. Enjoy learning. Thank you.